Welcome back, design enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly special for you, 10 breathtaking kitchen designs that will inspire your next renovation. But wait, there's more. Stay tuned because right in the middle of this video, we have an exciting offer you won't want to miss. First up, we have a contemporary kitchen that screams elegance with its sleek quartz countertops. The seamless integration of top-of-the-line appliances and the way natural light dances on the glossy surfaces create an inviting atmosphere that's perfect for modern living. Next, we step into a mid-century modern masterpiece. Clean lines, warm wood accents, and a bold pop of color make this kitchen an icon of style. It effortlessly blends retro charm with modern functionality. But before we dive into the next design, I have an exclusive offer for you. Are you looking to bring your own space to life or explore different design ideas virtually? Our virtual staging and room imagining services can make that happen. Email us today and transform your vision into reality. Now, let's embrace the cozy appeal of rustic charm. Exposed wooden beams, farmhouse-style cabinetry, and a stone fireplace create a warm, inviting atmosphere that's perfect for family gatherings. For those who crave the serenity of coastal living, this kitchen is a dream. A calming color palette, natural textures, and nautical elements like ship will decor transport you to a seaside oasis. Now, let's explore the beauty of sleek minimalism. A monochrome color scheme, clean lines, and a clutter-free environment make this kitchen perfect for modern urban living. In this design, we find the perfect harmony between wood and stone. The organic fusion of these materials creates a unique, earthy atmosphere that's both inviting and timeless. Now, let's venture into industrial chic territory. Exposed brick walls, metal accents, and rugged aesthetics blend seamlessly with elegant, contemporary appliances. If you appreciate timeless charm, this farmhouse-inspired kitchen is a must-see. Classic farm sink, shaker-style cabinets, and subway-tile backsplash create a welcoming ambience. Escape to a Mediterranean oasis in your own home. Terracotta tiles, arched doorways, and vibrant mosaic accents bring the sun-drenched villa experience to life. Lastly, we have a kitchen that beautifully blends various materials. Marble, butcher block, elegant pendant lighting, this design effortlessly bridges traditional and modern aesthetics. There you have it, folks. 10 incredible kitchen design ideas that can transform your space into a work of art. Remember, you can make your vision a reality with our virtual staging and room imagining services. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Email us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more inspiration, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.